Look. Hold them up. Hold them up to the camera. Oh. I can't get a good picture of you. Say, hold, look at me and say, lollipop.
Lollipop.
Even then I got a nasty one. Okay. Leave it in your mouth and I'll take a picture. Oh, that was a good looking one. Lollipop head.
John, what a big Josh.